Hi guys! Today we're doing lazy luxury. This'll probably be my shortest episode ever. Sometimes you're just fucking lazy. You don't really want to cook, you don't really want to make something extravagant. Maybe it's just you're home alone. This is super easy and super quick, but luxurious. It has bougie foods like lobster, crab, truffle, and mushrooms. So, if you have a Whole Foods near you, that's where you're going to be going. If you do not, just try to find this at places near you, or I guess you can make it yourself, but then it's a little bit more complicated, not so quick and easy. But here are the ingredients. We're going to be doing this. This is so fucking good. So good. This is crab and lobster ravioli from Whole Foods. They have fresh made pasta in their pasta section in a fridge. So this will be in the fridge. And this is so good, so easy, and yeah, in reality, you don't really need much more than this and just butter, but we're gonna step it up a little bit. We have truffle oil. This is gonna be our sauce basically. We have truffle salt from Heps and butter for the mushrooms. Here I have bonapi, oyster, and enoki. It's just a medley of mushrooms. You can do whatever mushrooms you want. You could not do mushrooms. You can do whatever you feel like. If you just want the pasta, don't add any mushrooms or vegetables. Whatever. But yeah, this is gonna be so quick. So, I'm just gonna I already kind of preheated the water a little bit. I'm just gonna get that going again. And then we're gonna be sauteing mushrooms. I've mentioned this before. Always saute mushrooms in butter. It's just so delicious. It makes them really good and like juicy and soft, and it gives this like a really good flavor to it. I don't really like oil on mushrooms. Just a personal preference. If you don't want to use butter, or if you're dairy free, then don't use it. I don't know if there's dairy in here or not. Yes, there is. So if you're dairy free, don't do this dish at all. Anyway, we're gonna use butter. Just use a big chunk of butter. We're doing a lot of mushrooms, so I'm gonna start with this much and then see if we need more. This takes 4 minutes to cook because it's fresh pasta. It's not dry pasta. So literally you can put this in and then like start the mushrooms almost right away because the mushrooms don't need that long. Butter is melting, so you can turn it down a little bit. Yeah, my camera died, so trying to do this a little differently today. The most difficult part about this recipe is opening the box. Okay, fuck that. I'm gonna... Ta-da! And these are so colorful, so this makes a pretty dish. Tossing this in the water. Ooh. Ow! Ooh, that went on my thigh. Setting the timer for 4 minutes. Alright, now mushrooms. Mushroom, mushroom. I don't know if any of you guys remember that song. Badger, badger. Anyway, doesn't matter. Throwing all these in. Probably gonna part these a little more. So just kind of breaking them apart, adding them in here. Same with these ones. And to take truffle salt. You can find different truffle salts. This is Heps. I got these at a farmer's market. I talked about that a lot. Yeah, I think today I'm actually using mostly store-bought things. Sadly, my truffle person is no longer at the market I go to. No, my truffle person? I mean my mushroom person. Well, actually they had truffles too, so it kind of counts. Just taking a bunch of this over. The best thing, instead of just regular butter and truffle salt, the best thing would be to have truffle butter. But apparently the Bristol Farms near me that used to have it now only does it during the holidays. And apparently now it's not a holiday. So that kind of sucks. But if you can find it, oops, tossing them around. If you can find truffle butter, that is the best thing. I'm going to be a little lower on this. Just kind of pushing these down a little every now and then. Some of you guys might be getting annoyed with me that this is going to be a short episode. Well, I'm going to make a long episode next time. But today, don't really feel like cooking all that much. And this is my go-to favorite thing to do when I'm not really feeling like cooking, when I'm feeling kind of lazy, but you kind of want a little bouginess in your life. This is fantastic. I mean, who doesn't fucking love lobster? And who doesn't love truffles and mushrooms? Well, actually, I know a lot of people that don't like mushrooms, but you don't have to use that. Ding ding, 1 minute left on the pasta. And these are almost done. I'm going to turn off the mushrooms and I mentioned this before too. Whole Foods has been bought by Amazon, so they have really good deals for Amazon Prime members. You got to download the Whole Foods app and then you scan it, and anything that's on sale you get an additional 10% off. Sometimes there's sale purely for Amazon Prime members, and on the app you can actually see weekly what is on sale. Anyway, you can see what's on sale, and so you can kind of keep track or plan your grocery list accordingly, you know, to try to stay on budget, which is cool. And the prices dropped dramatically since they bought them, so I like that. These are probably the 3 cheapest mushrooms they have, so it's pretty affordable. The pasta, I don't remember, but it was on sale. Anyway, I think the most expensive thing in the grocery list is this. You don't have to buy the big one though, but I use truffle oil a lot, so I buy the big one. Black truffle oil. So we're gonna pour out the water of the pasta and then plate it. Again, I don't have proper pasta plates. I really want some. If someone feels like giving a very belated birthday gift to me, I would love one. This, however, is Villeroy & Bosch, but you know, you don't have to get expensive to get nice plating, and I've talked about that so many times. But it's all just about having a style, having something a little different, not just the plain white plates. You can go with color, you can go with shapes like this one. It's just about finding your own style and your own little twist to things. All right, grabbing the pasta, pouring it over here. Oops. Ow. Ooh, hot. And taking the mushrooms just on top. Trying to make it look a little nice, you know, as always. Maybe you want to decorate with some fresh herbs on top. I'm not really going to do that today. Take your truffle oil, open it, and just kind of pour it a little all over. This is also about what you prefer. Do you like a lot? If you don't want a lot, take your thumb and hold it over so, and that way you can control how much comes out. If you just want a little droplets, you know, you can do that. If not, just pour over. And then you can either use the same truffle salt that I used earlier or flaky salt. I love the flaky salt, so I think I'm gonna do that. It's just so good and crunchy. So taking a bit, crunching it up a bit, has that flakiness, and then just, you know, a little all over. Ta-da! Ow. See? This is so quick and so easy. It's truly lazy luxury. This is just like, you know, you'll feel bougie, but you're not being extravagant. Yeah, this does not take long at all. But it is oh so tasty, and it smells heavenly. I just love the smell of truffle. Anyway, enjoy. Let me know if you try this. Let me know if you try something else. They have different types of raviolis there. If you try one of the other ones, let me know if you like it. This is just what I always get. And if you do any of my recipes, let me know. Use my tag or comment on my posts or tag me in your post and let me know what you think. If you have suggestions, if you have something you would love to see me make, if there's something you usually make, you want to see my take on it, let me know. You can either comment on my post or make your own post and tag me in it, Lace and Carbs, and I will add it to my list of things to make. And yeah, this is literally so quick and easy. Like, it's already over. Enjoy. See you guys next week. Bye.